everybody, it's your girl Myialashaun, and we are going to a little event today. I just want to say I had a great day. Let me just speak about my day. My niece is born today. Shout out to Divine Harris. Hey baby, my DW, my sweet. She was born today, so we're excited about that. But right now we are going. I found my tripod. I found it, and guess where it was? Right there under my car. Yeah, right there. But anywho, we are going to a little cute event today. If you guys don't know, I work in the medical marijuana industry, and I'm going to a grower event today called Dog Watchers, and I thought it'd be really cool to vlog it because try not to curse, because I need content. So hopefully they'll let me do it. So let me get out. And hold on, let me talk about the parking. The parking, it better be a free event. The event was free, but it better be free because the parking is $15. $15. So I found me a little boo, and I said, hey boo, with the little shirt on, you know, with the park. I said, hey boo, come here boo. Come here boo. $15. $15 is high. How can I get this down? He said, well, when you leave out, tell the man you work for Power Plant or whatever. I need to learn this place before I come out so I can say I just started working here. He said to say I just started working here and see if I can get it down to $5. So we're going to see after the party. Hopefully I remember. I won't forget because $15 is high. All right. Later. So, even though I don't know my way, I'm still gonna vlog because with my tripod, I feel like I'm vlogging invincible. Like I can just do it. So I don't know my way, and that's fine. That's totally fine that I don't know my way. We're gonna go down the elevator though. Whoa, trying to do too much. 2 blue, remember that. I think it's dry. Maybe I should ask someone. Okay. Maybe I should ask someone. Whoa. Ah. If I found it, I'm smart. Security. Hi. Huh? Okay. Hey, shoot, pay for that parking. I'm gonna do what you say too. I'm gonna try. Okay. That's all. That's all. Okay, let me find this place. The roof. So many things I got to tell you. Hi. Oh, hi. Okay. Do you know where the Where I gotta go?
Smile on camera. Make sure you get my good side, okay?
Oh no.
Maybe on your left-hand side, just past that flag.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
All right, have a good one.
Thank you. Oh, ain't nobody in his bingo. Oh, she's cute. Okay. I found it. I found it. We found it.
Officer, I have my license. It's medicinal.
Watch out for. They said 90% of the time people die.
I was trying to vlog, having fun with my coworkers and stuff, and having a good time with everybody, right? I locked my keys in the car. The last little clip you saw me in the car on my way out, being so fucking excited, I locked my keys in the car, and my mom had to drive an hour to give me my keys, and I feel sick about it. But my mom just gave me the key just now, and she said I have to give her gas money. Understandable, but I also have to pay $15 to get out the parking lot. So that sucks. $15 to get out of the parking lot is a lot, but I already was gonna pay that $15 anyway. So now we can have fun, have a little fun. I feel really bad. But no, I just had a mental thought for a little bit. But no. So let's go in and back to have some fun and enjoy the night. That smells really good, and I'm hungry. That motherfucker gonna hit me? Here, thank God. Cute boots. I was already here. Yep. Thanks, boo. How are you doing? I'm trying to have fun with them. What are they about to do? Turn up, y'all. Did y'all win the question song? Oh, my bad. Thank you so much. I will reach out to you. Oh my God, I'm getting bored. Hi, everybody. What do we got going on? Thank you so much.